Alright, so I decided to take you guys on a walk and talk to you about why people that are poorer than you travel the world and you don't. And I'm not gonna lie, it's a little bit awkward for me to do this video as I'm not used to walking in the street, and holding a camera is actually the first time that I'm doing this, but I decided I'm gonna do it anyway. Let's go that way. And also, by the way, I hope you can hear me well, and I hope the audio quality of this video will be okay, will be alright. But yeah, that's the thing. So why is that? I'm gonna be straight up honest with you. The word is procrastination. So you're basically procrastinating, and you probably are saying, well, that's if, of course, you want to travel. You probably are saying, well, I'm gonna travel the world, or I'm gonna go to Thailand, or I'm gonna go to Colombia, or wherever you wanna go when this and that happens. When is the right time, or when I have a little bit more money saved up. And you know, it's not a bad thing to be planning. But some of you will get this paralysis by analysis. And that's a really bad thing, and it will affect you a lot in other areas of your life, not just with travel. Because I'm telling you from the get-go that there are people out there, and including myself, who are probably making less money than you do, but you keep postponing this, and you keep on saying that it's not the right time. And I'm making this video because I got inspiration for this video because I recently just talked with someone, and he was telling me this, and I know that person is making maybe double of what I'm making, or triple, or 4 times more even than what I'm making every month, at the moment at least. And he's still not ready. And that's a pity, guys. That's a pity, because if the day of tomorrow is not ours, you don't know what is going to happen tomorrow. We are here today, but tomorrow is not ours. So if you really want to travel, if you really want to experience the world, or if you really want to do one thing, I'm gonna tell you, most probably the right time, and I'm using quotes, the right time might never come. So if you've been thinking of doing something, or coming to Thailand, for example, or not just Thailand, because I don't want this channel to be just about Thailand. it's not just Thailand. Like, if you want to just go anywhere, or if you want to do something, if you want to take a decision in life, or if you know you kind of feel it, like it's a calling for you, but you keep on postponing this big thing. Sorry, something on my nose. And you keep on postponing this thing because, well, it's not the right time. Well, that right time might never come. That right time might never come. And I'm guilty of that too. I'm guilty of that too. I'm just talking from experience, you know. So I just want to inspire you with this video and tell you that, hey, there are people who are poorer financially than you are, and they're traveling the world. They're finding a way. What's the worst that can happen anyways? You're leaving your country and you find out that it's not something that you like. You just go back. You're wasting maybe a little bit of money, but then you know you did it, you tried it, and it is an experience anyways, so it will not be a waste of money because it is an experience anyways. So that's it. That's what I wanted to say. People who are poorer than you are traveling the world and you don't, because they're not really overthinking it as much as you do. They don't overthink it. Don't overthink things. Just do this. Don't overthink things. Just do it.